A Haitian judge announced Monday that former Haitian dictator Jean-Claude Duvalier will face trial for corruption, but will not face any charges for the murders, disappearances, torture, and other rights abuses committed during his 15-year rule. The judge said the statute of limitations had run out. This is former political prisoner Bobby Duval, jailed for 17 months during Duvalier's regime, speaking to Human Rights Watch.
Duvalier is not just a regular person. Duvalier represents 30 years of this systematic destruction of life, of individuals, of society, of government. We're still trying to recover from it 25 years later, and we have not been able to do so.
That was Bobby Duval, a former political prisoner during Duvalier's regime in Haiti. Read, Brody, the significance of this ruling.
Well, it's very unfortunate. Unless this ruling is overturned on appeal, it's just going to be another confirmation to people in Haiti that the justice system is always on the side of the rich and the powerful and doesn't serve even to punish the worst atrocities. I mean, the small elite and the dictators in Haiti have gotten away with murder for so long. And Bobby Duval, a number of people, when Baby Doc came back to Haiti, filed complaints against him. And for a judge to apply the statute of limitations when Haiti has an obligation, as we talked about earlier, to investigate those crimes, the Inter-American Court has said that a statute of limitations cannot stand in the way of these kinds of investigations. For Jean-Claude Duvalier to come back to Haiti and not be prosecuted is a slap in the face to the thousands of people who were killed and tortured under his rule.
Read, Brody, before we finish, I just wanted to ask you, what do you think is going to happen now in the case of Judge Garzón in Spain?
Well, Judge Garzón demonstrated yesterday in court that what he was doing, his decisions were this is the first time in Europe that a judge is being prosecuted for trying to apply international law, for trying to investigate human rights crimes. And I would hope that the Supreme Court will acquit him. But the very spectacle of a judge having to explain why investigating torture, investigating disappearances is not a crime was already a very sad sight.
And also, of course, the fact that he has been derailed from continuing to do the work, whether he's talking about indicting Bush administration officials or going after anyone else.
Well, of course, I mean, this is about the independence of the judiciary as well. I mean, it's one thing to overturn a judge's ruling, but to prosecute a judge, to say that it's a crime because he tried to apply international, that it's a crime because he said that he had the jurisdiction to investigate these Franco-era crimes. This is something that I think people around the world do not understand.
Reed, Brody, I want to thank you for being with us, counsel and spokesperson for Human Rights Watch. He was speaking to us from Brussels, Belgium. He just flew from Madrid, Spain, where he's been observing the trial of Judge Baltasar Garzón. That does it for our broadcast.